Boo! Bet you didn't expect to see me again this week. Hello, it's Brandon Bakes, and today we're going to be baking a Halloween chocolate cake. So you need some chocolate cake mix, and what you need to mix the chocolate cake mix up. And I'm making a tiered cake, so I have 4 greased rectangle cake pans. Now we're going to mix up the cake mix as the instruction says on the box. Mine might be a little bit different on yours because some brands do it differently, or you might just be using a different chocolate cake than mine. Cup of water. Half a cup of vegetable oil. 3 eggs. Looks like got a little shell in there. Alright. Now, you mix it. Cake's almost done mixing. Alright, so the cake is done now. Alright, now you want to spread it evenly among all 4 pans. So you just want to go little bit by little bit. Until the mixture is all gone. Alright, so I've evened out all the batter in here equally. Now you just want to even it out and make it nice and flat on the top. And some of them you might have to tilt them a little bit just so every side has an even amount. Now you put them in the oven. And they're equally spaced. It's really hot. This in. Push them all back a little bit. And then put them in the oven for 15 minutes. Alright, so the cakes just went off. Let's cake test them. That one's clean. That one's clean. That one's clean. And that one's clean. They're all ready. Alright. Cake's out of the oven. Turn the oven off and let them cool. Alright, now we're going to make a filling. You need 1 pint of heavy whipping cream and a small box of vanilla pudding and a stand mixer. So you pour your heavy whipping cream, all of it, into your stand mixer. Just got to get it all in there. Maybe do the other side, tilt it a little bit more. And then you just want to have it stir until it is almost whipped cream. Alright, it's starting to get thick now. Let's see how it looks. You know it's getting thick when it sticks to your beaters like this and it looks like whipped cream. So now you want to turn it on at a stir-ish, maybe a little bit higher than a stir. And you're putting little by little. And add a little bit in. And you let it stir for a little bit. Alright, so it is done mixing. What you want to do now is take the beater off. And then hit it against the side to get everything off. Set it aside, and I'm gonna put it in three different bowls because I'm gonna dye mine Halloween colors for Halloween. So you just want to spread it equally among the 3 different bowls. This stuff comes off the bowl really easily. A little bit too much in that bowl. I'm going to make the purple one first. I'm going to start with 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to mix it with a spoon. It's starting to transform a little bit, but I think it needs like 1 more drop. Maybe there too. Alright. Alright, it is almost done. Alright, I think the purple is ready. Now I'm going to mix up the green one. green is done now. And you want to put them in the fridge so they don't melt. And mixing up orange now. Orange is now ready too. Clean off the edges a little bit. And put this one in the fridge too. And purple's in the fridge too. Alright, now you take the crust off the top of the cake. I already took 3 of the crusts off the cake. I just have to pull them off. But I want to show you how to do it on one of them. So I'll give an example of how to do that when I get these crusts off. So you just put your knife right on like the bottom of the pan so it's flat with it. And you just slowly saw through the top of the cake until you've got it all off. Alright, I got the tops off. Alright, now I'm going to put the filling on the cake. So I get a little on the spoon. Get it off the spoon. And then you spread it. You gotta do it very carefully though, because you don't want to tear your cake. Bit more on there. Get to the edges. Alright, I think the green layer is done. Alright, next layer. Here we go. Here it is. And put it on. And now, next frosting, which I'm going to do as purple. So put that down and get all the frosting on. Now, we'll do that one now. Just noticing a little bit that fell out. Alright, now I'm going to do the next layer, which is orange. You got it left a little bit better than the last one. Here we go. Set it down. And do the same thing that we did with the orange one. I mean the purple one. Set this off to the side. Now let's get the spread in. Alright, now we're going to put the last tier on. So, get it out of the pan. Put it on top. And I have some melted white chocolate that we're going to make look like cobwebs on top. So, I cut the tip off of the bag, and you got to go really quick when you do this. So, gotta make it look really stringy. Get the edges a little bit. I think that's enough. Now it's time to try the cake. That's really good chocolate cake. I love the cream filling in there because I think chocolate and like a whipped cream pudding mix goes perfect together. It's like you get a good vanilla taste and a very good chocolate taste. I hope you guys enjoyed this edition of Brandon Bakes. It was a Halloween cake for Halloween. But, bye!